Hey, want to register and install your shop with Soezzeapp? Download our app from Android and iOS store, or you could log in and do it from our website. Yellow icon is for the shops and stores. Log in with your email ID and the password provided by the Soezzeapp admin. After you log in, you'll see homepage waiting for your orders, history of all your orders, and the product category and product page, and the account details in the last. Under the product page, select the category and select any of the product or add a new one with a complete description and image. Under the product category, select the right kind of product listed or add as per your desire with the right image. Under account page, edit shop will let you enter complete address and location of your shop with the profile image. Change password will help you set your new password. Edit time will set your shop timing. Revenue will help you to keep track of your order and transaction details. Now, wasn't that so easy?